Look out, Sophie. I'm filming. Well, folks, I have been so far behind on every trade, purchase, everything that I have done with all of you over the last couple of years. So this is going to sort of just be the start. And of course, this is from Menehune Stacker. The man is just incredible. So what I see is a horse playing in the surf. This turtle just finished laying its eggs. And a little baby buffalo. And this magnificent spinning bird. With the display that you and your girlfriend made, and the whole thing, man, is just stunning. Absolutely stunning. And folks, if you ever want some real classic things done, you go and you visit with Menehune Stacker, because this Hawaiian has got it all together. And he was kind enough to put Uncle Dean on the underside of the bird's wings, which pretty much brings me to tears. To be things, which pretty much brings me to tears to be thought of this well in the community. So there you go, folks. You're going to be seeing more and more of my purchases and trades coming shortly. What can I say? We love you a bunch, and come on back. For those of you that are new, please like, comment, and subscribe. Take care, everyone. Bye now.